We have caramel pound cake, we have porch light peach cobbler, the slap your mama banana pudding, and we have the thickest D's pecan pie. So it's a 2-in-1 dessert. Creamalicious is an artisan brand, very culinary inspired by myself. Really started all of this just from a dream of having amazing pastry desserts that we thought we'd turn into ice cream at one of my restaurants in 2013. I'm an executive chef by trade. Just with the retailers, Schnucks was like one of the first retailers that really took my call and really got me pretty much on the map here. Hey, you want some ice cream? So I'm thinking banana or peach, maybe banana for you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
And it is on sale today. You're welcome. People saw it on the news and they're coming down to support, but we sold, I don't know how much ice cream we sold. We sold a lot because this whole thing was full. It was full when we came. I'm very appreciative that not only does Schnucks let minority businesses in the store, but the support that you guys have, because if you win, we win, and vice versa. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of the support and the love that you've given, and just all of the attention that you've given my brand personally and other brands here in the community. And I just want to encourage people to go for their dreams, and there's a dream in every scoop.